Hi again. This is the jacket I found in my closet. It's from Turkey. It's been 20 years old for sure. So I kind of got sentimental. I didn't want to throw it away. I decided I'm gonna do some embroidery, maybe a little bit on the front, but definitely on the back and here. So let's see how it's gonna look. First thing I did, I prepared a paper, just a paper, and then I picked my design, what I downloaded from USB, and now I'm gonna put on the top the jacket. This is how I put it. I want this front part to be embroidered, so I just put it on the top. Let's see how it's gonna work. So here I already started, but then I realized that I made a mistake. I didn't rotate the flowers how jacket's gonna be. So I'm gonna leave this here. It really doesn't matter. It's just a golden like thread. It's gonna be incorporated with the flowers. It's not a big deal. So I want to continue. So this is prepared. As you can see, flowers are on the side, and I'm done with editing. A little support, kind of make it flat. Don't press it on the screen. We can see now where the thread's gonna go. Pause, cut this extra thread, and then continue. Don't put fingers under the needle. That's very important, right? So that color is done now, and now we need to switch color to 323. Okay. So I changed the color. It's very important to check the bobbin that it's full, and I like when it shows the color, it also shows what that color will do. That's what I really like about this machine. Okay, let's continue. Pause, cut extra thread, pull this out and go. a new one. And we're gonna start now. So we move to the green. It's gonna be this beautiful green wine. We are already on the 5th color. So this is what also can happen if you do not watch the jacket, because it was a little bit heavyweight and I left it to work machine by itself. So it started to rip. So now I'm gonna make a new hoop with the paper, and then I'm gonna just continue. I'm gonna have to go back minus here. Let me try minus 10. Let's see. So yeah, this is design what I need. So I'm gonna pause it here. I'm gonna go quickly change the paper, and then I'm gonna continue. So this is the finished project. This is how it looks. Oh wow, this is very beautiful. I like the flower, how it looks. I need to clean up now these threads here to cut with the scissors. Then I'm going to show you later. Now I'm going to move to the other side of the jacket and add some more flowers. So there is one more important thing. So since I'm going to make 2 sides of the jacket with this flower, okay, so I want to do other side to be like a mirror effect. So I want also this flower to be close to the sleeve. So how we can do that on machine? So we're gonna go in just a second. Okay, so we're gonna, this here triangle sign is actually perfect for that. You press that and then you rotate, let's say down. Okay, so you see now this pink flower is going to be to the left side instead of right, and the purple one is going to be on the right side. I'm going to press OK. I'm going to size it like previous one, the smallest. Press OK, edit, finished, embroidery, and then it's going to be the same order with the colors. Okay,